Wellness on the go, wellness on the road, and ways that you can actually save money, feel better, invest in your health, and have a wonderful time budget travel. How does any of that sound? Does it sound random? Does it sound like, no, that's a pipe dream that doesn't exist? Does that sound like, well, that might be a great idea, but I don't know how to do it. I don't feel safe doing it. Those are some of the conversations I've been having lately with a number of women, especially, and those who have been either living on their own for a while because they are no longer partnered, or perhaps they are widowed, perhaps they are just choosing to age solo like myself, or perhaps they are still caregiving in the sandwich generation. There are any number of scenarios. Now, I am living in the US. I have always lived in Utah. I've always lived in the same city, though traveling has always been a dream of mine. And the older I have become, the more I have been able to afford to travel. And not because I suddenly came into a lot of money. No, I wish. I have been working multiple jobs since I was a teenager. That was something that was instilled in me. It's something that I feel very driven to do. It's something that interests me. And honestly, just something that I did for survival. And that has also enabled me to take on a number of jobs where I was able to travel for work. And that opened up a whole new way of exploring my state, exploring my country, and being able to feel a little more confident as a woman, whether I was, traveling with a team or going to a conference, and then eventually going on my first business trip on my own. And I was in my late 30s at the time. It was the first time I had ever even been offered that opportunity. And I was terrified because it was something that no other woman that I knew, especially women in my family, had ever done anything like that. And they were all afraid for me, which made me more afraid. And I was so glad that I took it on. I had a very kind female supervisor who encouraged me and reassured me and prepared me for the trip. And I, I feel like I was overly precautious, though certainly that was the smart thing to do. As women, we need to be very safety conscious. And as a mature woman, I feel that having that experience as a younger woman has made me feel extra safe now when I am out on the road and out on the go. I've traveled extensively for work, whether I'm just driving on my own or kind of in a caravan, tag teaming, that type of a thing. And maybe it's because I had a lot of people who were in the military in my family and was taught a lot of safety and self-defense in my younger years, that I feel more confident, and I've certainly kept up on a lot of those skills. Those have come in handy as well. So when I'm talking to other women that are, finding themselves at a time in life where kids are either, soon to fly the coop. I've been an empty nester for a long time. And even when I was partnered, there was times where I wanted to go on vacation, or maybe I just wanted to have what I call a goddess retreat. And I wanted to go to a spa, or I wanted to go to a, luxury resort in Las Vegas, or go to Disneyland. The person I was in love with, didn't want to do any of that. And some of the stuff they wanted to do, I didn't want to do that. So, and that's what we get to do as grown-ups. I feel very free and very liberated in knowing that I am the queen of my castle, and no matter who I am with, friends, family, loved ones, sweetheart or not, that I get to live my life as I see fit. And I have the freedom to get to spend my time and my money the way I like to, because I earn my own way. I pay my own way. That means I get to take vacations the way I like to. And because I'm no longer raising little ones, then that has enabled me to experience different parts of the world, different parts of the country in very unique ways. And I've taken tours, I've gone with groups, and because I've really fallen in love with solo travel, I wanted to talk about that and ask you, how are you investing in your travel time? And does solo travel interest you? Are you already well on this adventure? And what can you share with others? Because I keep hearing from many women that they are terrified for me, or when I share a new adventure or something that I'm doing, they're like, "Oh, who are you going with? What did you do? Who did you go with?" And I'm like, "Me." I went with me. And that baffles many women, even though if you look statistically at the US, for especially women who are even over 50, certainly over 60, over 65 and beyond, about 25 to 28% of us, and I am 61, that women are living alone. And that is not, I find that freedom and liberating, because the majority of women that I talk to, who are especially in the life stages that I've already done. I've already been the housewife. I've already been the mom. I've been the raising kids. I've been the caregiver. I've been, helping to take care of older adults. And now that I am the older adult and I am managing chronic conditions, I am my own caregiver right now. And I have the ability and the mobility to take these adventures. And since I'm able to economize and find really great bargains, I love taking these goddess trips and designing them and crafting them in ways that, even though I'm working multiple jobs, I have a corporate gig, I have my own business, I have side gigs, I have creative pursuits like my YouTube channel, that these are ways that I'm pulling all of this together, because yes, I'm getting away for a holiday weekend, and I will also be working. I've got my laptop with me. So there's any number of ways that I can take these little getaways, and part of it's going to be a tax write-off because it's a business trip. These are just some of the ways that I am saving money. I'm going to be staying at an Airbnb. I am going to places that, a lot of my entertainment is going to be things like nature walks or hikes, or a museum that will be either free or very low cost, or a mineral pool soak. And that for me is also an investment in my health. So I feel like I'm saving money because this is stress management. This is ways to live holistically, and hence the name of my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Tiffany. I am the founder of Anderson Therapeutics, a health educator, a wellness coach, an author, an alternative healthcare provider, and my Aging Well channel is all about sharing my holistic approach to health. And I have 3 key concepts of how I do that. I soothe, I nourish, and I rest. I've packed all of my food. All of this stuff in the back seat are going to be the things that I am investing in my well-being, so that way I can better manage chronic pain. I can nourish myself, because food is medicine in my world, and that saves me money, because even if I choose to eat out, which on this trip I don't imagine that I will, I am saving money. and I am going to be dining deliciously because I love to cook. My Nourish playlist is the largest amount of videos on my website, and I am heading to a bit of a retreat space because it is a natural mineral spring, and I love those. And that's part of my 2026 travel plan, is to visit a large number of mineral hot springs around the US, specifically the western US, because, like I said, I live in Utah and I love road trips. I love to drive, listen to the radio, and get lost in my thoughts, sing, and just have a very lovely time relaxing and winding down. And I enjoy my own company. It's taken me a long time as a female who wasn't taught how to take care of herself first, that it's okay to love yourself and to invest in you. I thankfully have a grown son who is very responsible. He's been independent and on his own for a long time. And he's also my power of attorney because I am an older adult with chronic health conditions. And we're very honest with one another. We're very candid. And so he knows that I don't need a babysitter, and he is no longer a baby. Doesn't need mommy. I am not a helicopter parent. And he is a very independent man living his best life. And that's what I am doing, is living my best life. I want to take you on my adventures this weekend and share some ideas with you. I'm going to be doing a kind of a lunchbox reveal, a mineral pool reveal, and a cooler reveal as I share the foods that I've packed for this weekend and the ways that I'm going to be investing in my health to give you ideas. This channel is for adults, other people who are also the kings and queens of their castle, and you are living ideally your best life. Take good care of yourself. Thanks so much for watching, and check back for the next video.